Well, good day everyone. I thought I'd do a quick update on how we're going with the seats, with the upholstery. So yeah, let's have a look. So we've got here the seat base with foam and all nicely done. Well, I think it's nicely done. And here's the top, and like that. Now I think I've made a boo-boo. I think I've got too thick a foam on the bottom, because that shouldn't be that high up there. So the alternative is to cut the bottom cushion shorter. I'm not sure, so I've got to talk to the instructor. But anyway, you can see the so-called progression so far. So I think rather than muck around anymore, I'm going to probably work on the other seat frame. So I won't bore you with that. But anyway, you can see that we've got this far, and you can see what the pattern's going to be like down the back, and just a plain base. All right. Well, thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you next time.